computer networks. In computer networks is a collection of computers. Okay, so interconnection between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. That is called computer networks. We are using OSI model, very popular model, open source interconnection model. The short form is PDN TSPA, means physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer, and followed by the TCP/IP reference model, transmission control protocol, internet protocol reference model. Here we are using 4 layers: internet layer, transport layer, application layer, network layer. So what are the famous algorithms under computer networks algorithm? We are having routing algorithms. So there are various types of routing algorithms we are using in computer networks, including static and dynamic routing algorithms, distance vector algorithm, and link state algorithm. Then congestion control algorithms. We are having congestion control algorithms like TCP Vegas, TCP Reno, and TCP Cubic. Then error control algorithms. We are using checksum algorithm, cyclic redundancy checks algorithm, and error correcting codes algorithm. Security algorithms, we are using encryption algorithm, decryption algorithm, authentication algorithm. Then flow control algorithms, example window based flow control and token bucket algorithm, network address translation algorithm, NAT. So here we are using IP address to public IP address, allowing devices on private networks to connect to the internet. Quality of service. So quality of service algorithm is also used to receive priority over less important traffic. So first algorithm I am going to demonstrate now. Write a full implementation of the open shortest path first algorithm, routing algorithm in Python, OSPF algorithm. Please see here what I am doing. Import network X as NX. It is a library. Network X is a library. You need to install pip install. My dear participants, if you are having laptop, please use network X pip install network X, then enter. So you will you can install that library. What I am doing in this one, OSPF routing algorithm, it is a best algorithm. Create a network topology using network. First I am creating network topology, then calculate shortest path using OSPF algorithm, then print shortest path and its length. Now this algorithm I am going to demonstrate now. First algorithm, OSPF algorithm. So I'm sharing this code in the group chat. Please execute. Notepad space OSPF. Now see this algorithm. Write a Python program to implement the open shortest path first. OSPF stands for open shortest path first routing algorithm. Please find this code in the group chat. I am sharing in the group chat. My dear friends, please execute this algorithm. I have shared in the group chat. So now I am executing Python space OSPF algorithm. See, now shortest path. I have taken ABD. So I am taking nodes and path length is 3. How effectively routing algorithm says that path selection between source to destination. So this is one algorithm, OSPF algorithm. Next algorithm I am going to implement. Second algorithm, implementation of the link state routing algorithm in Python. So same way, link state algorithm. So link state algorithm I am going to share with you. So link state algorithm, LSR. So I'm clearing the screen. Otherwise, notepad space LSR. .py, link state routing algorithm. I'm sharing this algorithm in the group chat. Please execute. All of you, try to execute this program also in your system. If you are getting any errors, please ask me. I'm going to clarify your doubts. Python space lsr.py. See, now I got output.